India is a land of remarkable infrastructure developments and unprecedented growth. From monumental bridges to awe-inspiring buildings, the country's progress is evident. But with such extensive structures comes the need for skilled experts who can repair and ensures their longevity, safety, and the sustained growth of our beloved country. With over 3 decades of expertise in the construction and the infra industry, Vasant Technocrats has become synonymous with repair and rehabilitation services throughout India.
With a rich history dating back to 1989, Vasant Technocrats excels in applying construction chemicals and equipments. As a trusted partners of global construction chemical leaders, our team always stays updated through international trainings, reflecting our dedication to our nation's progress and pride.
Vasant Technocrats' Research and Development Division have achieved numerous milestones and created groundbreaking solutions, like repairing and rehabilitation of high-level bridges, maintaining the durability of civil structures through their anti-carbonation protective coatings, fixing the critical water leakages from the reservoir dams, thermal power plants, stabilize soil in tunnels, leakages of underground pipelines, bridge foundations by sealing the voids, cracks, and joints through employing injection grout system technology. Enhancing the strength and durability of critical infrastructures, extending the service life of these structures.
We have constructed one water storage reservoir at our Singareni thermal power plant. After filling it with water, we observed that huge seepage was taking place through the embankment of the reservoir. I have met Sri Vinod Garu of Vasant Technocrats, who has immediately visited the site and suggested us the remedial action by drilling 300 numbers of 125 mm dia boreholes using a wagon drill, a display of mastery itself. Specially formulated bentonite infused cementitious concoction was injected, which sealed the reservoir's fate against seepage.
Vasant Technocrats take pride in their contributions to shaping major projects across India. Decades of excellence in civil construction have earned their client trust and satisfaction. Their world-class services and European standards compliance have earned them international recognition as an IRP, Injection Repairs and Protection Certified company. Vasant Technocrats, building a strong foundation for India's infrastructure.